Hello children, so today again we will continue our test of divisibility by the numbers. Until 6 we have done, so today we are going to start from the test of divisibility 7 onwards. So let's see. So test of divisibility by 7, that means whether the number or given number is divisible by 7 or not. How we can check, that one will know. According to this step, there are some steps. So step 1 is double the digit at ones place. That means the unit place digits we have to double it. And step 2 is find the difference between the number obtained in step 1 and the number formed by the rest of its digits. Alright, so step 3 is if the number obtained is divisible by 7, then that given number is divisible by 7. Alright, so I have taken one example. So let's see the example. 6895. But how it will be divisible or no? Without division, how we can check it? Alright, students, see here the ones place is as it is 5. Ones place means the unit place is 5. So we have to double it. Double means we have to multiply it by 2. So that's why we have multiplied it by 2. So 2 into 5, then it, and rest of the numbers. So for the numbers forming by rest of the numbers, you can see the rest number means these three are left, this 3 digit 6, 8, 9. So this will be 6, 8, 9, and this one we have to subtract it. So 6, 8, 9 minus 10, this number if you multiply 10, then after subtracting you can see here 9 minus 0, 9, and 8 minus 1, 7, so 679, which is divisible by 7. That's why 6895 is divisible by 7. Alright, so if we'll check it's divisible or not, how we can check it? So students, see here, I have told her that it's divisible by 7, but why it's divisible you can check also like this if you have doubt. See, 679 means 7 9 63, this 2 digit we will take. So now 7 minus 3 4 and 9 will carry here. So if after bringing 9 it is becoming that 49 with the remainder 4. So 7 7 49, it will be 49. Alright, so that means the remainder is becoming 0. So it's completely divisible by 7. Alright, that's why this whole number will be divisible by 7. So one more example show. So students, 727, is it divisible or not? How we'll check it? So according to the now I have written here. So as you know, if we'll divide like this only, 70, this ones place digit will double it, so we have to multiply it by 2. So 2 into 7 will be 14, and rest of the number means 72, which is forming. So 72 minus 14, if we'll do 72 minus 14, it is coming 58. So which is not divisible by 7, as 58 is not the table, it's not a multiple of 7, so it will not be divisible. And if you see that means the whole number will not be divisible by 7. If you see here the division also, see, you will get like this. After division also you will get, that means it's becoming the remainder 6, so it will not be divisible. So without dividing this, like we can easily say with checking this ones place digit. Alright, if you do this way you can do it by yourself. Alright, so students, I hope this is clear to you now. Now move to the next, that is test of divisibility by 8. So how we can divide it? See here, a number is divisible by 8. So a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digits on its extreme right is divisible by 8. See, I have taken an example. If you look here, so there is 2 like 9816. So is it divisible or not? How we can check it? See here, the number formed by its last 3 digit. Last 3 digit is 816, 816. These are the last 3 digit. So its last 3 digit is 816, which is divisible by 8. Alright, if you will check, you will get it. It is divisible by 8. As 8 1 8 you will get, and 8 2 16. So it will be divisible. So that means the whole number will be divisible by 8. Alright, same way if we'll see here 59 like 78,164, in that 59,78,164 is not divisible by 8, as the number formed by last three digit is 164 and which is not divisible by 8. Therefore, this whole number will not be divisible by 8. Alright. So that means what you have to remember here, just you have to see the last three digit which is formed by from the extreme right side. That one you have to do. If the last three digit from no, that if you found which one forming by the last three digit is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Alright students, so let's move to the next. A number is divisible by 9 or not, we'll check like this. See here, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Okay children, so how that means how we have done in the test of divisibility by 3, same way we have to do the test divisibility of 9 also. Alright, so I have taken here some example. Let's see. There's 8 lakhs and 67,105. Is it divisible or not? If you how we'll know it? So without division we can see like this. Sum of its digit we have to see 8 plus 6 plus 7, then next digit is 1 plus 0 plus 5. After adding all these you can check. So 8 plus 6 14 plus then 7, you will get 21 plus 1 22 plus 5 27, as if you add 0 also then it will be 27. So this is the result is 27, which is divisible by 9, as 27 is a multiple of 9, 9 3 is a 27, so it's obviously divisible by 9, isn't it students? Yes, so same the whole number will be divisible by 9. Alright, so same way we will see another example, that is 56 lakhs 32,104. So sum of its digit, as it's a large numbers, but without division how we can check easily within quickly. So these are the rule, you have to know it. Listen very carefully. So same way will sum of its digits we will do find out. So it's coming 21, but after doing the sum we will get 21 here. Alright, so which is not divisible by 9, as 20 is not 1 is not the multiple of 9. That means the whole number is not divisible by 9. Alright, one more simple example I am giving you. Let's say that 108, is it divisible or not? You can't do it easily in by doing this division, but without division how we'll check it? Test of divisibility rule. So 108, so sum of its means sum of its digits, how we'll get digits? You will see 1 plus 0 plus 8. So 1 plus 0 means 1 and 1 plus 8 is coming 9. So 9 is which is completely divisible by 9, as 9 ones are 9. So divisible by 9. That's why this 108 also divisible by 108 or is divisible by 9. Alright, dear students, divisible by 9. So if this sum of is divisible by 9, then it will be divisible by the 9, whole the number. Alright, so same way as the test of divisibility by 3. So let's see that test of divisibility by 10. How we can do it? A number is divisible by 10 only when its unit digit is 0. So unit digit means the ones place digit. So we have to say like the test of divisibility by 2, 5 we have done. We have by looking only that unit place digit. Same way we'll do here also. Alright, just we have to look at the unit place digits. So 80 like 1, 10, so 20, then 30. This all are 100. This all are divisible by 10, as the unit digit is these all are multiple of 10. That's why I said these are divisible by 10. Isn't it students? You know it already. So this all will be divisible by 0, as the unit digit is 0. And see, if you will see here b number, once I am saying if another digit is having like here 98, so is it divisible by 10 or not? How we'll check it? So once place digit is 8, that means it is not divisible. If you see here, if you divide also, you will get like this. So 9 So sorry, it will be 1, 10, 10. So 10 9 ja 90, and this remainder is 8 is becoming remainder, so it's not divisible. But if it will be 90, then we can divide as 10 9 ja 90. So it's completely dividing. That's why I am saying if the unit digit is 0, that means it is completely divisible by 10. Alright students, I hope this is clear to you now. All the tests are divided. Okay, now let's see the next exercise 5.2. Some questions are there related to this all. So students, question number 2 till we have done. So 3 is color the numbers that are divisible by 7 in blue. That means we have to see the number which are divisible by divisible that by 7. We have to do it the blue color. But how we can do it? Directly you don't do that color. At first you check like this in your copy, then only you will put this color. You will you will learn also, you will be practicing also, and you will have fun also by coloring. Right students? So children, first of all we'll see this 73 number. That 73 means how we can do it by 7. Just now we have learned it. How we'll check it? By using the formula step 1. This all ones plus digit we have to ones, so 73 means 73. So now how we'll do? Double the digit at ones place. So double the digit means we have ones plus digit is 3, so we'll double it by multiplying by 2, so it will be 6, and then what's remaining digit is 7 only. So 7 minus 1, so 7 minus 6, sorry, it will be 1, which is not divisible by 7. That means 73 is not divisible by 7. So 73 is not divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. Alright. So same way, if you'll see 35 also, you can do it easily, because at the 35 means it's already given. 35 means it's coming the table in 7, as 7 5 ja 35. But if you want to check like this also, you can do 3, then 2 into 5, 10. So 10 minus 3 means it's actually sign is done, it is plus sign and it is minus sign, so we have to subtract this. So 10 minus 3, you will get 7 only. So minus sign, as the 10 is larger number and before this larger number is minus sign, so we could put here minus 1. This way also you can do, or if you want you can do this way also. If any way you can do, but sign is not matter in the division. So it's 2 into 5 also you can do, and then minus 3. So 10 minus 3 we can get it 7. Then both the cases 7 is divisible by 7. That means the 35 will be divisible by 7. Alright students, and see now same only one C number I am showing, that is 879. So 879 means 9 we have to double it. So 9 into 2, and 87 minus 18, so it will get here 16, which is 69 is not divisible by 3. Divisible not by 3 is not divisible by 3. But if you see the next is D number 163 is 63. I have colored it as it is divisible. So 6 minus 3 into 2, 1 plus 3 into 2, 6. So 6 minus 6 means 0, which is divisible by 3, as 0 is divisible by any number. Alright, so this is the thing. So it is that how same way you can do this, check this other number also and color it. Alright students, now let's see the question number 4. The color the numbers which are divisible by 8 in green. So we have to do the green color. So I have written here 40. You can check it without doing, you can do it, color it as 40 is multiple of 8. 8 5 ja 40. Alright, so next one we'll look in 4532, that means 4532. The number formed by last 3 digit is the last 3 digit we have to look in case of 8. So 532, which is not divisible by 8. That's why the whole number is not divisible by 8. Okay children, now same way in 6281 also, if you look, the number formed by the last 3 digit is 281, which is not divisible by 8. Alright, the last 3 digit, if you check you can see it, then 6281 is not completely divisible by 8. Same way you can, the rest of the numbers can be checked by you. Alright, then you color it. So next question number 5 is color the numbers which are divisible by 9 in yellow. We have to do it the color with yellow, but at first you check, then only you color. Alright, so first number is 3213. Sum of its digits, as it's 9, so we have to find out the sum of the digits. So sum of the digits, how we can find out? We have to add this all the number, that means all the digits. So 3 plus, then next digit is 2, so we'll add here 2, then next digit is 1, then is 5 3. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 is completely divisible by 9. Alright, 9 1 is 9, that's why. So whole the number will be divisible by 9. Okay children, now see that next is B number I have taken here, 1805. So same way we will find out the sum. After finding the sum, or we have got here 14, which is not the divisible by 9. Therefore this complete number is not divisible by 9. Alright children, now see that next C number I have taken, that means the next digit is in 983. So sum of each digit is 9 plus 8 plus 3 we have to do. So after sum we have got this sum is 20, so which is not divisible by 9, as 20 is not coming the so 9 is 9, and then what we'll do, we have to do this. If it is not coming here, we cannot divide it by 20 by 9, so it will be remainder will be there. So that means the whole number is not divisible by 9. So it's fine students. Same way the rest of this number can be checked by you, how we have done, and we put the color. Thank you children.